Hi friends, welcome to your own channel Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make tehri, a very famous dish from Uttar Pradesh, India. To make tehri, first I'll start to heat up a pan. In the pan I'll add around 7 to 8 tablespoons of clarified butter. This gives a very nice taste to the dish. In the clarified butter I am adding around 2 bay leaves. Herein goes 1 small piece of mace, 1 star anise, 1 big cardamom, that is black cardamom, 2 green cardamoms, 3 to 4 red chilies, few pieces of cinnamon stick, around 3 to 4. Just saute this for around a minute so that the flavor infuses with the oil. And also goes in 4 to 5 cloves. I'll add around 1 green chili to give a mild spicy flavor to the dish. After these spices are done, I'll add around 2 medium size of onions which I have sliced, and I'll saute till it turns golden brown in color. I'll add little bit of salt so that the onion caramelizes faster. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste and saute till the raw aroma diminishes. Keep the flame on a medium heat while cooking the vegetables. I'll add around 2 medium size of potatoes diced. Saute this, and after the potato, add around 250 grams of cauliflower diced. So after the potatoes and the cauliflower goes in 1 bowl of, this is 2 medium size of carrots diced. Saute this for a minute, and after the carrot goes in 1 small bowl, that is 100 grams of green peas. Mix this along with the vegetable. Then goes in 1 small bowl of French beans, that is green beans. So I'm just going to cook these vegetables for around 5 to 7 minutes. I'll cover this and I'll cook it. Hey guys, sorry I just missed out cumin seeds. So I'll just splatter on 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds in a pan and I'll mix it into the vegetable. This I should have added in the oil along with the whole spices, but that's completely fine. I have managed to add it at this point. So now just mix this with the vegetable and cook the vegetables. I'll add around 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then goes in 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Just mix it. Cook it along with the vegetables for around a minute. Then goes in the salt to taste. Mix it well. Then goes in 2 medium sized tomatoes finely chopped. Add it to the vegetable. Cook it along with the vegetables for around 5 minutes. Once the tomatoes are mixed well, cover the lid and cook the vegetables for around 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 to 7 minutes, you will find that the vegetables are completely cooked. Stir it nicely. Give a nice stir, and then I am going to add the rice which I had soaked just around 1.5 to 2 hours before making the dish. Here I am using basmati rice. Preferably use basmati rice. This is around 2 bowls of rice. Now once the vegetables are done, I'll add the rice into the vegetables, the cooked vegetables. The water I am adding is double the quantity of the rice. Now I'll mix this well along with the vegetables. Then I'll cover it To give a tangy flavor, I am adding 1 teaspoon of dry mango powder, that is amchur powder. So just mix it well. Cover the lid and cook for around 10 to 15 minutes or till the rice is completely done. After 10 minutes, just check. The tehri is almost ready. I'll need to cook for around 5 minutes more till the rice is completely done. A very nice aroma is coming out of it. Finally, garnish with freshly chopped green coriander leaves. If required, if the rice is not done, you can add around half bowl of more water and cover and cook for around 5 minutes more. Delicious tehri is ready to serve. Serve it with raita and papad. This is a very nice tasty dish and a very impressive dish. Give a nice stir. Just be careful, the rice should not break. Just mix the vegetables and the rice all together. And the delicious tehri is ready to serve. If you like the video, please click on the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more such delicious recipes and delicacies on the plate.